Hi guys, it's Glitter. What's going on? I'm back at it again. Been trying to edit this video, get it together for you guys. I had the pleasure of going to this restaurant called Smile Good in the Teshi Labadi area. And he makes the best. Nee makes the best fried rice in this side of the Mason-Dixie line, okay? Meaning that the rice was delicious, and I got a chance to interview him on Joy Prime show, that's Eve's Eye. I had that interview towards the end of this video, but for now, check him out talking about all the stuff that he does with getting stuff together for his customers. He makes not only the fried rice, he's making the Palava sauce, which is really nice. It's like it's chock full of veggies and all that jazz. It's yummy, 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 yummy. Plus, you get to kind of experience that meal. And if you have no meat or no fish in it, it's a great gluten-free option, all-protein option. So check it out. Let me know what you guys think. At the end is my interview on Eve's Eye with him that went on Joy Prime. Let me know. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon.
And Smile Good today is organized as usual, special plantain and Palava sauce. And the Palava sauce. So today we go to the ingredients we have today. We have our tomato, as you can see, our fish, our pepper, the onion, then our contomere. We also have our yam, then the plantain. So from here we just started doing the sauce, the Palava sauce. About roast pepper. Now I have my frying pan and my fire. As usual, setting up fire, at the roadside bar, doing it as usual. So now we start the sauce. The fire is too hot. I think the oil, the red oil is hot. So I have to blend my fresh tomato and my onion. Then I'll start it as usual. Now we are at the final stage. We roast it. As you can see. Whoa! It's not good. It's looking spicy now. I get it. Wow, that's possible. Yeah, it can still look yummy. So I put in a fish inside. And next I add agushi. Then after the agushi, then I have the contomere to it. Then, as usual, it's getting finished. Yeah. We finished and it's looking first. We served it. Yam and plantain, fishing out. Yes, Palava sauce, special. Smile Good special. Honorable. Very rich, very yummy. And one or two eggs to spice it. Absolutely lovely. Absolutely lovely. Boy, it's fresh like it. Woo! This Smile Good special. Woo. As you can see, this is special Smile Good Jollof. This is not Nigeria jollof, this is Ghana jollof. Jollof. You can see how it is. Sparkling, shining, crunchy, yummy, loving like that. The Smile Good yummy.
Introduce this one, which is made in Africa.
It's made in Africa again. It's Glitteratie. How's everybody doing? So I'm in a local buka in the Lekma area. Yeah, Teshi Lekma area with Joshua. And it's what's the name of the restaurant? Smile Good. The Smile Good restaurant. All right, let's go on in and check out how the magic is made. All right, so we're going to watch what you do.
So I break one egg inside the oil. I need my vegetables selected to stir.
Okay, so your vegetables.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, the rice.
The plain rice. So already cooked the plain rice.
The rice is already cooked?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So I can eat that. Can I do it?
Yeah.
How do you do it? What do you do?
You stir it just like that.
This?
Yes.
Oh my God, it's hot though. This is hot though. Oh, wait. Okay, I think Joshua, I go be supervising you. All right, let's dig in. This shito is You made the shito too? Joshua, thank you for having us here. The food is delicious. Everybody, make sure you come to Smile Good and get you some good old jollof rice. They have noodles too. Make sure you support. This is the Made in Africa show for Eve's Eye. Make sure you keep it locked. I'm Glitteratie, and I'll see you soon.
Turn up nation. Give me 2 shots on the regular.